Merry Christmas. And my main man, Jamaica. Jamaica. Yeah, man. Hey, my homeboy Hood, throw it up. You know what I mean? It's my nigga. Hey, this Sandal. What's up? Thumbs up. Hey, don't say my N-word. Hey. We got Campbell over there. Killing. Beat hash to the beat bag. You know what it is. We got Myers right here. You know, the white boy, white chocolate professor. You know what it is. We got the Hawaiians over here.
We'll mark the open night.
Whatever the fuck you just said. We got the other Hawaiian over here. Throw it up. Yeah, dude. You know, you got me, GA standing up, 2 up, 2 down. You know what to do. We're going to take a walk over here and see all the rest of the people. Look at the soldiers. We got Robinson over here. He's from Texas. What's up, Robinson? How you doing, baby? What's going on? We got this guy right here, the black guy. You know what I mean? Stop saying to your daughter, wait. He just hit me. I call him a little bit. His name is a little bit. This is on Facebook. Hey, what up, Gaboo? What up, Gaboo? Gaboo. Is everybody? Mochika, what up, man? What up, man? Put it on. What you do? Davis, what's up, Davis? What's up, bro? Yo. Look at Davis. Throw it up. Yeah. What's up? Everybody, look. We got Hoffman. We got Cody. Don't run for the camera, Cody. We got Gonzaga. We got Juan over here. You know, stuff in his face. You know what I mean? Look, he making a video. Put the video on the video.